kiri. Ọmọ ní kódó yìí ká wá lọ dẹ̀dẹ̀ wá.
40 years ago, it was 40 times as hard. Yet, a young teenage girl broke off the chokehold Fuji, Juju, High Life, Afrobeat held on the music industry and carved a niche for herself, one she has ruled now for 4 decades. Born in Igbogun, one of the mangrove villages that border Ogun and Lagos State in Nigeria, young Salawa Abeni's life started hard. As one of the several children in a polygamous family, hers took a sadder turn than her other siblings. Her mother was sickly and '82 respectively. Kollington fired back by claiming paternity of Salawa's child with Adepoju on his Tani Oja, Who Does the Child Resemble, record. Adepoju got involved in the matter and threatened to take Kollington to court for slandering his wife. But in a shocking twist that Telemundo fans would envy, Queen Salawa Abeni dumped the older man she was married to and pitched her tent with her erstwhile younger lover. As she became his wife, she also signed onto his record label Kollington Records. She marked the new marriage with Ife Daro Pupo, Love Is Very Good. The enamored groom also released a new record to welcome his own child with Salawa, Emi no Ojo, The Baby Resembles Me. Their union became one of the most high-profile celebrity marriages of the 1980s. Queen Salawa Abeni had described her life story as long and tough. She's correct, while her music career was successful, her personal life wasn't quite as merry. Her marriage to Kollington came to an end in the early 1990s. They had survived tough times, notably when Kollington's Alakbeto mansion, the whole neighborhood is in fact named after the man, got burned in 1990. But matters had come to a head. Salawa was one of at least 15 wives that were married to the megastar at various times. However, her case was peculiar. She was also a popular musician with her own crowd and concerts. It was either she stayed in a marriage that had become loveless or focus on her career. She chose the latter. By the end of her second marriage in 1994, she had done 27 albums. She released a handful more before the end of the millennium and had a stint with Sony Music. Tragedy, however, struck in 2000 when her older son, the one she had with Lateef Adepaju, Olanruwaja, died in a car crash. Incidentally, his father had died months earlier. Salawa retreated from the public to mourn her dead child. She later had serious health concerns for 8 years that all but took her from the audience's mind. In later years, she revealed that she felt used and dumped by the men she loved and trusted. The masters of her early records are still in possession of the Adepaju family and have never been released to her. Although she and Kollington maintain some sort of civility now, she has said in several interviews that she raised the children by herself. Nevertheless, her impact on Nigerian music cannot be brushed off. She ranks up there with the likes of KSA, Ebenezer Obey, Sikiru Ayinde Barrister, Sir Shina Peters, Onyeka Onwenu and more as genuine Nigerian musical icons. There hasn't been any other Waka musician that has reached the heights Queen Salawa Abeni has, and even the younger